TouchWorks 17.1 upgrade. As you can see, there's a new login screen here. Logging in, you'll notice a new patient banner. It changes the fonts. It provides a bigger search patient button, as well as the drop down for previous patients. It puts the also known as name of the patient in parentheses. It puts more of the demographics in larger font altogether, from date of birth, age, gender. It has a new med allergies that you can hover on and see the details of the allergies rather than just getting the non-specific information and having to go to the chart. You can now get that information right here. You hover on it, scroll, and you'll notice the toolbar is quite small, even though we have it set to large. You can adjust this to your liking by pressing the control button, one finger on the control button, and from the left hand, one finger on your scroll wheel on your mouse with the right hand. Scroll it up one tick, and each tick will give you an improvement. If you don't have a scroll wheel, hold the shift key down, hold the control key down, and click the plus button or the minus button. On the clinical desktop, and also applicable to the note views, you have a new simplified medication list. A lot of the old detail has been removed, making it cleaner, easier to read. By clicking your expand button, you can improve that even more by creating it to be bolded, as well as putting the items in a more parsed, carriage return separated manner. Much easier to read than it has been in the past. Over on the chart view, you notice a change. The icon has this now black bar at the bottom with 3 dots. This means that this is a note that can be previewed. I can now single left click on the icon. It will open the note. It will show me the assessment plan section at the top, and then you can scroll through and see the rest, and the assessment plan is again at the bottom. Okay, next I'd like to go over some of the changes with this upgrade to the Allscripts version 11 notes. Take note of your buttons here along the top. When you want to add certain forms, such as a patient health questionnaire or such as a procedure form, rather than going and using the right-click menus here to add forms, which takes extra clicks and work, save time, use these up here at the top. Southern Medical Group uses a lot of the text templates, and a few TMH people with some text template reasons. You can add an image. New content sets will be described in a separate place. That's basically a way to add multiple forms at one time. And then this allows you to remove a section of a note that somehow you don't want to have in there, or it got in there wrong and you want it, and you put some data in there and you want to get rid of it. Quickly remove it. Remember the preview button over here? There it is, straight to the assessment and plan. The problem list now has a reconcile button. Wasn't there before. Med list, yes, has a reconcile button. But now the problem list has a reconcile button as well. For Meaningful Use 3, some providers will transition to some aspects of Meaningful Use 3 in 2019. So in review, the new note features rapid add buttons into the note for forms, text templates, images, and content sets. Problem list reconciliation. There is the new simplified medication list. Removing the extraneous details from the initial view. Expander button allows you to see more detail. Note preview going straight to assessment and plan.